Absolutely.
Give me a call. Just leave a message when you call, you know?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Thought about that, you know, you kind of figured out this is what I'm going to push. These are the different channels. This is what I do. And I have to say, it's very like, there's a lot on there, you know?
It's
challenging, like killing and eating people.
Kick energy.
You know what? That in itself is weird science.
It is. Here we are 30-something years later.
How to drink coffee.
In
Classic films, like classic drama, or classic horror, or what?
You know, both.
See, that's what you do. You can come up with something on the cuff, and I feel like
Baldwin's career casket.
They do that.
They were
don't
right.
Vaguely inexplicable.
That's because it was 117 degrees last week, and now it's like 7.
The Jimmy? It was a puppet, and it would always go, is it made of wood? That'd be the...
In art on a two-dimensional surface.
What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it for you, boy. Killing it.